Hello guys, this is Subrata Mishra. In this video I will show you how to prepare bread halwa. For that, first cut the bread pieces like this and heat the oil and fry them till light brown color. It will not take much time to fry. Fry them all like this for bread halwa, okay? After frying the bread slices, heat the kettle and add the bread slices again to the kettle. Now to this add some sugar syrup. If you don't know the recipe of sugar syrup, then you can refer my previous videos. Now add some milk. Now mix like this. Mix them well, guys. After mixing, boil it for a minute. Now it is ready, guys. Take this to a bowl. Now our bread halwa is ready. To garnish it with some dry fruits you like, almonds, cashew nuts, etc. Yes guys, now this is ready. If you like the recipe, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.